Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Talk English, the place where learning English feels easy, friendly, and fun. I'm Lily, and I'm here with my good friend and co-host, Mark.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone. It's great to be back with you all today. I'm very happy and a little hungry, too.
Hungry already, Mark?
Yes, I was thinking about food before we started recording. Pizza, pasta, burgers. I love food.
Ha ha ha, you're not alone. I think many of our listeners are hungry too, and that's why today's topic is perfect.
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about going to a restaurant and speaking English.
Yes, this is a very important topic for beginners because we all go to restaurants. And speaking English in a restaurant can feel scary. But today, we'll make it simple.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
And stay with us until the end. We'll help you practice speaking about food in English.
Okay, Lily, imagine this. I'm outside a restaurant. I'm hungry. I open the door and go inside. What do I say first?
The first thing is very easy. You smile and say, hello or hi.
That's easy. I can do that.
Yes, you can. The person you see is usually the host or the waiter.
Okay, I see the waiter. I say hello. Now I want to sit down. What do I say?
You can say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, because you're with me.
Exactly. If you're alone, you say, a table for one, please.
Simple. And if I'm with my family?
Then you say the number. A table for four, please.
Perfect.
The waiter may say, this way, please.
And I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes, you sit down. Now, what's the first thing you want?
Food.
Ha ha ha, not yet. First, you need the menu.
Right. The menu shows all the food.
You can ask politely, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? I like the word please. It sounds friendly.
Yes, always use please in a restaurant.
Now I open the menu. I see many words. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Great. Let's explain these.
Okay,
Starters are small dishes. For example, soup or salad.
I love soup. Chicken soup is my favorite.
Mine too. Next is the main course. This is the big meal.
Like pasta, chicken, fish, or a burger.
Yes, then we have desserts.
Dessert is the sweet food, right?
Exactly. Cake, ice cream, chocolate, fruit.
Chocolate cake is my favorite dessert.
Not surprising. And finally, drinks, water, juice, tea, coffee, soda.
Okay, Lily, the waiter comes to my table. What does the waiter say?
The waiter usually asks, are you ready to order?
If I'm ready, I say, yes, I am.
Good. If you need more time, you say, just a minute, please.
That's very useful, but today I'm hungry. I'm ready.
Haha, okay. Now you order your food.
Can I say, I want a burger?
You can, but a more polite way is, I would like, or I'll have.
I would like the burger, please.
Perfect.
Or I can say, I'll have the burger, please.
Yes, that sounds very natural. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the vegetable soup to start, please.
Very good. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Nice choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water and a soda.
Great. So that's one vegetable soup, one grilled chicken with rice, one water, and one soda.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
Now you wait for your food.
I can talk with my friend.
Yes, or relax or look at your phone.
I smell the food. I'm excited.
The waiter brings your food and says, enjoy your meal.
And I say, thank you.
Exactly. You eat your food slowly and enjoy it.
The chicken is delicious.
I'm happy to hear that.
After the meal, the waiter asks, would you like dessert?
Yes. You can say, yes, I'd like chocolate cake.
Or, no, thank you. I'm full.
Both are perfect.
Okay, I finished eating. What do I say now?
You ask for the bill. You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Or, the check, please.
Yes, both are correct.
I pay the bill,
The waiter says, "Thank you."
and I say, thank you. Have a nice day.
Perfect English.
Let's quickly review.
At the restaurant, you say, "Hello, a table for two, please. Can I have the menu, please? I would like, I'll have. Can I have the bill, please?"
Simple phrases, but very powerful.
Now it's your turn. Practice this conversation at home.
You can speak alone or with a friend.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes progress.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to Daily Talk English.
Thank you so much for listening.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.